interrogate people and get truth out of them and them lay back so. That means something fishy are going.
Yeah.
Something fishy is going on.
Yeah, man. More fishy, Paul.
You understand? Yeah, they were trained to interrogate people and watch people's body language, listen to people's statement, and use it against them and get the truth. So what is really going on? That's what I would like to know. Why?
When the next neighbor come answer you and him just you know come over your yard and realize there's something wrong. You know, none of them there's something there. She don't know none of that.
Why did you wait so long? Very sorry. I'm going to just be quiet in a minute. But just what you just said, with what military just said, something happened to my child, and I'm in care of another child. Is it that I hate the child so much that I do not care the hours that are passing? Because I would still have to call that child and say, young man, come to the hospital, or I am here, I am sending Tom Jones for you. But I'm going to wait so
Sunset
long.
TV.
When I come in is when I'm going to
Got
check
yourself.
on the grown man.
Big up Sunset.
You're still a child. So I should have checked in even at the hospital.
Well said. Well said.
Mama. I got me. Mama.
Sunset enter the box and jump out back like in a no.
Sunset no feel so good enough.
No, your sister something wrong.
For a lick of time.
The bigger one, you on the home. You know why you know why he couldn't call him mother? Him couldn't call him mother and tell him to Jayden don't come in because at that time Jayden and alive. At that time Jayden and alive. So you couldn't call him mother and tell him mother.
And that boy know about it. Both of them know about it.
Yes.
That's why I say that when they asked him the question, they like, man, you know where Jaden could be? And he was like, oh, check the old house.
This is what he said. This is what he said. Somebody asked him. Somebody said to him. Somebody said to him. Them are.
When alone have to feel alone so.
Oh, this guy first. Let me give you this one first.
Oh God.
Them are, hold on. Them are come on TikTok one time. Him don't come back on TikTok. Why you on TikTok like me on TikTok now? Somebody, I try to go in the box. I send him one request and he wouldn't take it. So the person type and said, them are, where were you Friday? Where were you Friday when Jayden? But that's cool. Him look down and him see it and him say, how would this type such a sensitive question? Whole a black man. Whole a black. And the person come and the person find me live and explain it to me. And me say, look here, I go and talk about it. Because me say, look now. When that person texts you that, why you never say, big man, how will you talk? Never send you a request. Come up in the box, man. What that guy said to me? Why that him run off, him mute the man and run him off? That's a red flag.
Red flag.
That's a red flag. Somebody talk to him differently and somebody said, them are, where you think that Jaden would have been right now? I don't know. Maybe him up by Perch Road, up by the Blue House, and then the person said, like the person would say, what? Him say, although we sell it already. So him realize what him say and turn the argument now.
Yeah, true.
That's how him say. That's how him say all time. Mouth.
Because you haven't turned on this feature.
Whoa.
Tap the switch now to
That's how he say out of his own mouth. Brother. That's how he say out of his own mouth.
Whoa.
That's how he say Paul out of his own mouth. Tell me, I tell you that, Paul.
So when you hear we are talking, nobody not tell no lie upon them. And when people them come out, come talk, people, it can't rest with some people. It's like somebody that share out some food give you, and the amount of food with them share out, you tell them say, put back some of the food in the pot because I don't want so much. And them say no, eat it. And you say, look here, put back some of the food. Them say no. And you eventually eat some of the food and left. So you can't eat that. That not sit well with you. And so what them come explain to Jamaican people. Jamaican people can't take that. If you run this platform in 5 months and you make some talk and somebody will never come by your platform yet, just come by your platform. What this person have to say tonight, tie back to what you did have said 4 and 5 months back. And yet this person just come on. That not teach nobody nothing. It teach somebody something because for you feel talk something for 5 months and for somebody just come on and come say something based on what you want to say for 5 months. You understand when I say, Paul?
Of course, because
nothing can't go so, brother. Nothing can't go so, man.
You and the person coordinate. You understand?
Can't go so, man. Can't go so. Me tell you a long time from where they say Mr. T a liar, you know. Me tell you, Paul. Me tell you, say, Paul, let me show you how Mr. T still. Jayden not there to defend himself. And me and you and the people where they in the background here so I in Jamaica. I have to become the voice for this little boy. So when you hear Mr. T come out and I speak them something about Jayden, bear that in mind, say Jayden unalive and Jayden lie down on him back, dead like dog. Let me tell you that. So when you hear him come out and make them the speech there, I feel you look upon him as a man.
Yes.
With integrity, one good man. No go so. Listen where Jayden. Listen the bag of lie with the man. Listen him slower. Listen him slower. How L.A. Lewis exposed him, man. Me like enough things about L.A. Lewis. Enough things about L.A. Lewis me don't like. With him voodoo and him obi and blow fire and type of fact, me don't like that. Me L.A. Lewis come expose the man. And how you listen to the man, quiet, you pick up every lie where man tell. Everyone. Mr. T know every time Mr. T go to the hospital, Mr. T know for him time. And for shiny time, Mr. T know him none at all.
Lie man tell.
And Mr. T know it time when time Jayden'S left school 2:30 as L.A. Lewis asking game, but L.A. Lewis will never ask a time about Shani can get it.
No.
Me know the reckless where this old man you stand for. Me know that. Me look for the man and see say man a liar.
Wicked and lie. I ain't care Jayden go drop off Jayden the Friday morning. For take taxi to school. And when the LA back him up and I ask him, me don't know where Jayden go. God Jayden.
Say man a liar. Me not tell no say man a liar, bro.
Your wife and them are come from the hospital. Where was Jayden? Me don't know where Jayden go. So how you can go let him off take taxi to school?
Yeah, Jesus. I tell you so them a people are good, brother. Them a people are good. You know Jamaican police really worthless, you know? Jamaican police worthless, you know? Jamaican police worthless. Jamaican police and make people take your line in their hand. Jamaican police, the way how them a handle case, they are automatically I tell people say, but do what I want to do, man. What do I want to do? Jamaican police.
When you go do what you do, I didn't see when I come back and analyze you.
Because they know that the time, Jamaican police, they hardly have any use. Me I tell you, if Jayden did bury with one bag of coke, you'd have said they don't find him long time.
Yeah.
You'd have said that. You'd have said. Because all they into money, that's all they into. They're not into to solve the crime and make Jamaican people say, wow, you me like how the police them get on top of this. No, they no depend that. They no depend that. No say Mr. T a tell lie. No the brother a tell lie. I mean pick up a lie where man a tell. Pick up it.
You see the good police that dig certain thing and get things done. They untie. Because them those in authority don't want them to lead it because what? Yeah, I mean I tell you stuff.
Look fantastic. Huh?
those so, yeah, good police, you know, where they take on the case, you know, and do this, you know. But those in authority over them, I hold them back because they untie. They untie, brother. Because all of them dirty, you know. And not all of them evil, you know, brother. Yeah, good police in the system. See me? And see, then they would have really do it. It out of the jurisdiction because we don't know or jurisdiction and jurisdiction set. And if you don't jurisdiction, so they can't just go in and go take it up off of their own. They have to get authority if you go there. Go deal with it. Because right now, you know, police say, bend over it. Them follow for them pitney and follow the for them family.
Exactly.
See me?
I'm just a digger. Every time.
They plan to tell the story. They might confess the truth about who really is involved in a little innocent Jayden disappearance. Anyways, people, they might did this interview, so take a listen keenly to what he had to say.
There's real, big up.
Him a playback. Them are a confess.
He was there. Well, that's how she said. She just said like she was there. So you have that message statement when you come out, you know, I want different statement from the lady. You hold on the day here. Hold on the day here. Because we got shop come back and then that go happen. So all of the gas you can so we need to pass it like your chair, to pass it like your. Get up the man and you go tie out boat. We never see Jaden in the bathroom and beat it up. We make Jaden breakfast and we go tie out boat and left it there. And when we got out the boat, my father shot and tell me saying God, left Jaden out the road, we take taxi and then Jaden.
Yeah, what I'm saying, General Price, I make breakfast, you know. When you hear the wrong thing, them when I say him, them I say I him make the breakfast, alright.
1,500 kind of hand. And then we get up the morning, we go tie out boat. We never see Jaden in the bathroom and beat it up. We make Jaden breakfast and we go tie out boat and left it there.
But after you not tie out goat, no not all. It's a tip.
Left Jaden out the road, we take taxi.
Feel like.
Alright, so in a year, you know, because you're children of family, obviously.
Lord.
You know, the first place I come to you.
We think you still up a bird road, go up, so we do long go up this.
General, unmute your mic. General Price, talk to me. Unmute. This is what I want. That is the same place when we get to them. Alright, so in a year,
you make breakfast with Jaden and Jaden uncle say he make breakfast with Jaden.
yeah. Alright, listen this. And when I pause it, more you tell me your view on it.
What you think Jaden is? No, the first place I come to you. You think you still up a bird road, go up, so we do long go up this. You see Jaden pass up there. You look tired.
Pause.
Same thing, boy. Same thing, Shanika said Jaden look tired.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright.
There, we there.
Alright.
Ah, that mercy, Chaja. Tell your to brother, tell your brother.
Taxi, and then Jaden 1,500 kind of hand change. Jaden come out there to
Alright, so in a year, you don't know because you're children of family, obviously. In a year, you don't know. What you think Jaden is this year?
No,
the first place I come to you.
we think you still up a bird road, go up, so we do long go up one up this. She see Jaden pass up there. You look tired. Pass it now.
Then if one woman did say Jaden did the upper perch road, you would have find yourself upper perch road and go for Jaden. analyze Jaden be true. Yes.
Price, you feel say them are still proper how long they wait for him. And you know what the confession that
More than confession. Which house?
Hold on a second there. Let's be logical here. Would it be the fact that it's when they were searching for him, you meant that they were at Burke Road? I'm just saying.
No.
Because
I know that he mean.
lady said
I know that he mean.
she saw him and
I know that he mean. Them are thought that if them did a search for Jaden, I want woman to see Jaden.
That's what he meant, like they were waiting for him.
So we are there. Oh, if you tired.
No, it's not him. He said a lady said when she saw Jaden would look tired. So I'm now thinking because I'm listening diligently.
My friend, Lady Faye.
Yeah.
Interpret it how you want to.
listen it again, you're Lady Faye.
Sure.
Jaden never seen that again. Get up the morning, go tell you what, we never see Jaden in a bathroom and
I know you tired boat. Come and listen when Mr. T said. Let me talk when Mr. T said.
No, lad, man.
Mr. T say, Mr. T, you see you? Mr. T say, Omar Thompson, dirty boy T say, Mr. T say, this little boy I will name them are a actor and a back chatting. Mr. T say, before them are do anything in the yard,
In PA Jaden.
them are rather